and welcome to Palatable Platter. This is Suparna and today we are going to make some tender golden brown pastries. These pastries are filled with veggies, proteins and some warm spices. Many different cultures have given their different twist to this recipe. In India we have something similar called as Gujiya or Karanji. And today I'll be showing you my healthy version of it. I'm talking about empanadas. Empanadas are one of my favorite dishes and today I'll be walking you through the entire process. This is a completely vegetarian recipe, but feel free to add any meat if you like. And now before we get started, do you see that tiny thumbs up button below the video? Go hit that like button, share this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss our new recipes. And now without any further delay, let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and enjoy my empanadas with a warm cup of tea and some chutney. You go ahead and try this recipe and let me know how that goes in the comment section down below. Also follow us on Instagram at Palatable Platter. Like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel to never miss our new recipes. See you next week.